Welcome back to the Surfer Joe Show. Chef Frankie. We got the Ninja oven. It's already cooking, but we still got to put the cookies in. That's right. We are doing chocolate chip cookies. Now that looks darn good, does it not? Alright. Chef Frankie got started early. It's alright. We're going to put these little nibbles on here. We're going to try and see how well the Ninja oven does with making cookies. Now it doesn't matter how well, if they're a little piece, big piece, it's a cookie. All cookies are good. All cookies are good. Maybe you can't see me doing it. Turn it around. It's the C. Put the little squares here, like so. Make our own size cookies. A cookie's a cookie. Chocolate chip cookies. Holiday season's coming. You want to get one of these Ninja ovens. She's all about. Let's see. They make some big cookies. Now they'll be for Chef Frankie. Chef Frankie likes cookies. Yeah. Cookies! Cookies! Cookie Monster says, cookies! Cookies! Okay, we're going back over here. Ninja oven. It's at 8 minutes. Well, we can add some. Put them on the bottom tray. On the bottom tray. We're letting them cook. 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 That's right. Chef Frankie has got me making cookies for the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. We're going to bring you back and pop them out. We're watching cookies bake. Yummy. Chocolate chip cookies made easily in the Ninja oven. Holidays are coming. You got to start baking. Got to start cooking. Just use the Ninja oven. It will do all of it. Stay tuned. Can't wait for those cookies. Welcome back to the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. Chef Frankie's in the living room. Anyways, we're ready to take the cookies out. Hot pad holder, spatula. This is what you need. We're going to check out these cookies. We're going to check out these cookies. Woo! Those smell nice. Use a piece of wood up there. See that little trick? Use wood. Cookies. Those are nice. We gotta let them rest. Gotta let them rest. Get a good look. Good look. Cookies. Let them rest. You want them a little brown. You don't want them burnt. In fact, let me do this. Let me show you. This Ninja oven. Ninja oven. Cookies. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. You only want one cookie. One cookie. Look at that. Look at that cookie. Now that's a good cookie. Soft. Not burnt. That's what you want. Ninja oven. Took about 15-20 minutes. You're going to let them cool down. You can eat them right now if you want. But you want them to let them cool down and rest. But guess what? This is what you need for the holidays. The Ninja oven. Get one now. Holidays are coming. You can do everything. I was gonna say almost everything, but you can't cook a turkey or a big turkey or ham in it or big chicken, okay? Or a big side of ribs. But everything else you need in the kitchen, small package, great. Ninja oven. Well, cookies, cookies, cookies. Look at them cookies. Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. As Chef Frankie says, subscribe. Donate, like our video, share our video, share our channel. We appreciate that. Thank you. Happy holidays. Stay safe. Please tune in. A lot more coming. Thank you.